Looking for the right vehicle? Check out
The 2019 Escape. Gas engines flex, tow, sip, and go with Ford Escape. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, four-wheel drive, turbocharged, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, four-wheel disc brakes. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.